In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed YouTube video to Framer website. We're going to add a YouTube player to a page using Framer's built-in tools so it looks clean, loads properly, and scales well across devices. Start by opening your project in Framer and heading into the editor. Look for the insert option in the interface. It's represented by a plus icon and opens the panel where all components live. Clicking it reveals categories you can browse, which is where you'll find the media elements we need. In the Insert panel, move your cursor over the media category. Hovering here will expand a list of media-related components. You'll see options like image, video, and importantly, YouTube. If your panel is collapsed or you don't immediately see it, slightly widen the panel or scroll to reveal the full list. The idea is simply to expose the YouTube component so it's ready to place on the canvas. Now, click and drag the YouTube component from the panel onto your canvas. Drop it exactly where you want the player to appear, inside a section, a frame, or layout stack. As you drag, pay attention to blue placement guides and alignment hints. They help you snap the player neatly into your layout. Once it's on the canvas, resize it by dragging the corners. A 16:9 aspect ratio works best for standard YouTube content. You can also position it using the alignment tools so it stays centered or fills the width of your design for a responsive look. With the YouTube layer selected, look to the right-hand properties panel. You'll see a field for the video URL. Paste your YouTube link there. The full watch URL or the share link both work. The player will load automatically and you should see the video thumbnail appear in the canvas. If it doesn't show up, double check that the link points to a public video and that you've pasted the plain URL rather than embed code. You can quickly preview the page to confirm playback, sound, and controls are working as expected. If the video appears letterboxed or cropped, simply adjust the frame size until it feels balanced in your layout. That's all you need to embed a YouTube video in Framer. Open the Insert panel, hover over Media, drag in the YouTube component, and paste your link. With those steps, you've got a clean, professional embed that's easy to position and resize to match your design. Save your work, and you're ready to move on to styling the rest of your page.